We hit him once. Oh god! Oh god, he's building a new body! Oh god! What? What the hell? What? 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 What is up, guys? EZ9 here, and welcome back to Megaman Mondays, where I play Megaman 1 through 10 just for you and die over and over. So without further ado, I present to you Megaman. Alright guys, so if you can remember from last time, we started and tried Wily's level. Dr. Wily is not a force to be taken lightly. He is actually quite hard. I don't even think I got into him. I think I got to like a semi-boss? Or a part of a boss? I don't know. He was shooting fucking Playdoh at me. I don't know. Let's give him another go though. We're gonna have to. We don't have a fucking choice. He is who we gotta conquer. Look at him. Alien master piece of shit. God. So fucking ugly, man. So ugly. Oh my goodness. Oh, shit. I forgot the ah! Damn it. I tried. Lost all my health just now. God. Ah! Let's go. Come on. Ooh, okay, good. We're over him. Haha. No. Wah! Fuck. I was trying to shoot. Just wasted all that shit. Alright. It's all good. It's good. We're good. We're in a good shape right now. Boom. Boom. Aha! Look at that. Good run going. Good run. We're not even going to try to get that, but we are not going to do that way either, because that's death. We're going to go this way. Oh my god, he jumped on me. What the hell? Of course now he jumps at me, of all times, right? Alright, so now we use Megaman. Look how much I've learned. You use the M, you plant this shit, you run up here, you grab the health, then you get ready for the bullshit. Fuck. I wasn't ready for the bullshit. I can't hit start. Why? No! No! It wouldn't let me change. What the hell? Now it does. Oh my god. Alright. Gutsman. We already wasted like all that shit. Hopefully we won't need that. I don't remember what's down here. The bullshit. Alright. Megaman, where you at? Boom! Got pat. Oh! We actually got. Oh! Give me that shit. Give me another one. Fuck. Don't you dare get hit by him. Oh my god. Alright. Is he gonna come down this time for me, or is he gonna be a bitch? Probably a bitch. Yep. Please? Please! I mean, man. Oh my god, please come down. I can't get on you if you're fucking... Oh my god, I was on him! No! Yes! Go! Wait, he's too high though now! Come down here! Oh my god. Please? Please. Please. Please! Yes! Yes! Oh my god, we almost just, like... Oh my god! Aha! We did it! That wasn't nearly as frustrating as last time. But we don't have enough shit, so time to go up and down the ladder for a couple of decades. Oh. Alright, that should be enough. That should be enough. We're good. We're good. Let's go. Come on. Boop. 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 Aha! Yes! We are through. Round 2, Mr. Playdoh! Or not. Oh shit, I forgot it comes from over there. Oh, what do I... How do you... What? Oh my god. What? Wait! What is this shit? He's creating another body! What? Oh my god. What? Do I have to shoot his eye? That has to be it. That has to be it. Oh my god. Fuck. Come on! We hit him once. That's what. Oh god! Oh god! He's building a new body. Oh god! What? What the hell? What? 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 You're telling me I need to beat that? There has to be a weakness of element. There has to be. Let's try Fireman. Not Cutman. Fireman. Haha. There we go. There has to be a weakness. Oh my god, the first one always gets me. So does the second one. Fuck! It did less damage. Shit. I don't do damage to him unless I hit his eye. What? This is bullshit. A tire! What? Luckman, where are you at? Oh my god.
Help me! Help me!
You what, mate? You what? Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? He's actually down for me to, you know, fucking jump on him, and he fucking shoots me and kills me. Alright. Oh, God, this is so fucking stupid. Please? Oh my god, please, 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 please come down so I can jump on you. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh! We actually might have enough to keep going. Come on, come on, come on, go. Oh my god. Round 3, Mr. Playdoh! Fuck. Oh my god. I gotta just learn the pattern? I don't even... Oh my god. What the actual fuck? My god. Oh my god, there's no slide button. I can't just, like, you know, dodge shit without trying. What? I can't hit that! Dude! You're shitting me! So not only does his eye... Did he shoot me? Did that fucking piece of Play-Doh just shoot me? Oh, it's on now, boy. Oh my fucking god. Please, no. What's this? Electman's actually doing some decent damage. What? What? Oh, Electman's the key? Please? Please say Electman's the key. It's still not a huge amount of damage, but it's something. It's something. It's better than nothing. And he shot me in the face again. Oh my god! This is fucking cancer! How the fuck do they expect you to beat this? Oh, I'm gonna go fucking insane. Fucking god, just make it stop! Make it stop! Oh my god! What the hell? This is insane. This is the first fucking game. Well, to all of you who gave me a fucking comment saying the first game's always the hardest. Oh boy. Does it fucking show now?
Damn, son.
Wow, I cannot believe this fucking boss, guys. I just cannot believe this is even a thing. I knew these games were hard, but wow. Like, wow. Like, this is on the level of Dark Souls hard. I'm being completely honest. This is fucking hard. This fucking Playdoh boss is fucking insanely hard. I don't know what else to say other than that. I don't know how I'm gonna beat him. I know it's gonna take a lot of practice. I know it's gonna... Honestly, what it's gonna come down to is learning his attack pattern and literally memorizing when to jump and when not to jump and the height of jump and oh my god, guys, it's just like wow, fucking wow. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Recommend some games to me. That is a monkey. And as always, I will see you guys next time on Megaman Monday. Peace.